Welcome back to Auric Technologies. Today we will be moving to the sixth chapter in our free digital marketing course, where we equip you with the initial skills to conquer the digital world. Let's start. Lesson 6: Social Media Marketing. Platform Selection and Strategy. Host: Social media offers a plethora of platforms to choose from, each with its own unique audience and features. Let's explore how to select the right platform and develop a winning strategy. Here is how to get started. First, know your audience. Identify your target audience and research which social media platforms they frequent. Second, set clear goals. Define your objectives for social media marketing, whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or customer engagement. Third, choose relevant platforms. Select platforms that align with your audience demographics, industry, and marketing goals. Tailor your content. Customize your content to suit each platform's format, tone, and audience preferences. Fifth, engage and analyze. Foster meaningful interaction with your audience and regularly analyze your performance metrics to refine your strategy. By selecting the right platform and implementing a strategy approach, you can maximize your social media marketing efforts and achieve your business objectives. Facebook marketing. Let's kick off our platform exploration with Facebook marketing, the largest social media platform with over 2 billion active users. Here is why it should be part of your social media strategy. First, massive audience with billions of users. Facebook offers unparalleled reach and targeting options. Second, diverse ad formats. Facebook provides various ad formats including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more to suit your marketing objectives. Third, detailed targeting. Utilize Facebook's extensive targeting options based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and custom audiences. Fourth, engaging content. Create engaging content to foster interaction with your audience through posts, stories, and live videos. Fifth, analytic and insights. Leverage Facebook analytics tools to track your performance metrics and optimize your campaigns for success. By harnessing the power of Facebook marketing, you can connect with your target audience, build brand awareness, and drive conversions. Instagram marketing. Next up, let's explore Instagram marketing, a visual centric platform that's perfect for showcasing your brand's creativity and personality. Here is why Instagram should be a part of your social media arsenal. First, visual appeal. Instagram is all about stunning visuals, making it deal for showcasing products, services, and behind the scenes glimpses of your brand. Second, engaged audience. Instagram boosts high engagement rates with users actively interacting with posts, stories, and IGTV's videos. Third, influencer collaboration. Partnering with influencers can amplify your reach and credibility on Instagram, especially within niche communities. Fourth, hashtag strategy. Utilize relevant hashtags to increase your visibility and attract users who are interested in your content. Fifth, shopping features. Take advantage of Instagram's shopping features to drive sales directly from your posts and stories. By leveraging Instagram's visual appeal and engaged audience, you can showcase your brand in a captivating way and drive meaningful engagement. Twitter marketing. Now, let's turn our attention to Twitter marketing, a platform known for real time conversations and breaking news updates. Here is why Twitter should be a part of your social media strategy. First, real time engagement. Twitter is the go to platform for real time conversations and trending topics. Allow you to engage with your audience at the moment. Second, hashtag culture. Harness the power of hashtags to join relevant conversations, increase your visibility, and attract new followers. Third, direct communications. Use Twitter to provide customer support, address inquiries, and build relationship with your audience through direct messages. Fourth, promoted tweets. Amplify your reach and visibility by promoting your tweets to targeted audience based on demographic, interest, and behaviors. Fifth, analytics and insights. Track your left tweet performance and audience engagement using Twitter's analytics dashboard to optimize your content strategy. By leveraging Twitter's real time nature and engagement features, you can connect with your audience, drive conversion, and build brand loyalty. LinkedIn marketing. Let's now explore LinkedIn marketing, the professional networking platform that's perfect for B2B marketers and professionals. Here is why LinkedIn should be part of your social media marketing strategy. Professional audience. LinkedIn is home to over 700 million professionals, making it an ideal platform for B2B marketing and networking. Second, thought leadership. Position yourself and your brand as industry leaders by sharing valuable insights, industry news, and thought provoking content. Third, targeted advertising. Reach decision makers and professionals in specific industries with LinkedIn's robust targeting options based on job title, company size, and more. Fourth, content publishing. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to share long form articles, blog posts, and presentation to showcase your expertise and attract followers. Fifth, networking opportunities. Join LinkedIn groups, participate in decisions, and connect with industry peers and prospects to expand your network and build relationships. While leveraging LinkedIn's professional audience and networking features, you can establish your brand's authority, generate leads, and foster valuable connections within your industry. Influencer marketing. Last but not least, let's explore influencer marketing, a powerful strategy for leveraging the influence of social media personalities to promote your brand. Here is why influencer marketing should be part of your social media strategy. First, trusted recommendations. Influencers have built loyal following who trust their opinions and recommendations, making influencer endorsements highly effective. Second, targeted reach. Partnering with influencers allows you to reach specific audience segments and niche communities that align with your brand. Third, authenticity and engagement. Influencers create authentic, engaging content that resonates with their followers, driving meaningful interactions and brand awareness. Fourth, diverse collaboration options. Collaborate with influencers on sponsored posts, product reviews, giveaways, and investor programs to amplify your brand's reach and impact. Fifth, measurable results. Track key performance metrics like engagement, reach, and conversions to measure the effectiveness of your influencer campaign and optimize your success. By harnessing the influence of social media personalities, you can expand your brand's reach, build credibility, and drive engagement with your target audience. And there you have it, lesson 6, social media marketing strategies. We have explored platform selection and strategy, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, LinkedIn marketing, and influencer marketing. Remember, social media offers endless opportunities to connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive business growth. Stay tuned for the next lesson where we will dive into the art of email marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such contents.